Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? I'm an alim. I have done alimiyat from Jamia Islamia Baitul Uloom Akkalkuwa in Maharashtra. Presently, I'm pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindgi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken English, spoken Arabic and computer. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for imparting us the art of public speaking. Today, I'm here to talk about offering the prayer with punctuality. Respected teachers and my beloved brothers, the prayer is an obligatory worship. We must offer the prayer with punctuality. It has been revealed in the Quran that the prayer should be offered with the punctuality of its times. My brothers, on one occasion Allah the Exalted said in the Holy Quran, وَأْمُرْ أَهْلَكَ بِالصَّلَاةِ وَاصْطَبِرْ عَلَيْهَا. Order the members of your family to offer the prayer and you also do that with punctuality. In the Holy Hadith, the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man taraka as-salata muta'ammidan faqad kafar." Whosoever left the prayer deliberately committed an act of infidelity. In another Hadith, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When the child reaches the age of 7 years, start teaching him the prayer, and when he is 10 years old, punish him if he does not offer it." Hazrat Luqman alayhi salatu wasalam had, while advising his son, said, "O my son, offer your prayers punctuality." My brothers, the prayer can be offered both individually and in congregation, but it has been emphasized that offering the prayer in congregation is more rewardable. Everyone should try his level best to offer the prayer in congregation. Lastly, I want to say that Salah occupies great importance in Islam. May Allah give us tawfiq to offer the Salah with punctuality. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great passion. Thank you so much and have a great day.